Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Myself Srimati Patekar Alka Narayan from Mahatma Phule Vidyalay Lavle, Taluka Mulshi, District Pune. Today we are going to continue the study of mathematics chapter 1, rational and irrational number. Today we are going to continue the representation of rational numbers. In last video we saw how to compare rational numbers. Today we are going to learn decimal representation of a rational number and practice set 1.3. Let's learn decimal representation of rational number. In this terminating decimal, when the numerator of a rational number is divided by its denominator and remainder obtained is 0, hence the process of division ends. टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल म्हणजेच परिमेय संख्येचं दशांश रूपामध्ये मांडणी करत असताना जेव्हा अंशाला छेदाने भागल्यानंतर भागाकाराची क्रिया पूर्ण होते आणि बाकी शून्य मिळते त्यालाच डेसिमल रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ रॅशनल नंबर असं म्हटलं जातं. आणि ज्या ठिकाणी भागाकाराची क्रिया एका विशिष्ट ठिकाणी थांबते याला टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल असं म्हटलं जातं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 7/4. Here we divide 7 by 4. Here we have to write 7 divided by 4, then 4 ones are 4 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then we have to take here a point and here 0. Then 4 sevens are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Then 0. Then 4 fives are 20. Here remainder is 0, means hence the process of division complete. In this case, after dividing 7 by 4, the remainder is 0. Such a decimal form of rational number is called terminating decimal form. We know that every rational number can be written in the form of non-terminating recurring decimal form. Non-terminating रिकरिंग डेसिमल फॉर्म म्हणजेच अखंड आवर्ती स्वरूपात कोणतीही परिमेय संख्या आपल्याला अखंड आवर्ती स्वरूपामध्ये लिहिता येते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल here is 7/6 means here 7 is divided by 6. The answer is 1.666. In this case remainder is not 0. Number 6 is repeating, so we have to write this number repeating number once like this 1.16 raised to only one number is repeating, so here we have written a point. In second example 23/99, the answer comes 0.2323. Here also division is not completed, not ends. That remainder is not 0. 2 and 3 number is repeating. So this non-terminating recurring decimal is written like this 0.23 raised to bar. Here two numbers 2 and 3 are repeated, so here The line is on number 2 and 3. Which number is repeating? Raised to bar. In third example, 22 upon 7, the answer is 3.142857. Here the number repeated are 142857. This number is repeated every time. So non-terminating recurring decimal is written in this form: 3.142857 raised to bar. Which numbers are repeated? 142857. So the answer is 3.142857 raised to bar. Similarly, a terminating decimal form can be written as a non-terminating recurring form. Example: in example 7 upon 4, if we divided 7 by 4, the answer is 1.75. Here, the process of division completed and remainder is 0. This number is called the terminating decimal form. This terminating decimal form can also be written in non-terminating recurring form, as if we write 0 after 5, that is 1.7500. That 0 number is repeated, so 1.750 raised to dot. Only number 0 is repeated. Practice set 1.3. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. We have to write the rational number in decimal form. First example is 9 upon 37. इथं लक्ष द्यायचंय 9 upon 37. बऱ्याच वेळा तुम्ही 9 ने 37 ला डिवाइड करण्याची चूक होऊ शकते. तर यामध्ये न्यूमरेटरला डिनॉमिनेटरने डिवाइड करायचे. म्हणजेच यामध्ये आपल्याला 9 ला 37 ने काय करावं लागेल? डिवाइड करावं लागेल. 37 चा पाढा पाठ नसेल तर अगोदर काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला? तर 37 चा पाढा राईट साईडला लिहून ठेवायचा आहे. इथं मी लिहिलेला आहे 37 चा टेबल. Now the solution is, we have to divide 9 by 37. So here we have to write 9.000. If we write the 0 after point, the value of this number will not change. We have to write this 9 number in non-terminating recurring decimal form. We have to divide 9 by 37. So 9 is smaller than 37. Then here is 0. Then point we have taken here. 9 ला इथं 37 ने भाग जात नाहीये, म्हणून पहिल्यांदा भाग बसला शून्याचा. या ठिकाणी डेसिमल पॉइंट आहे, तो डेसिमल पॉइंट आपण इथं लिहिला. आता या ठिकाणी डेसिमल पॉइंट विचारात न घेता काय घेणार आहे आपण? हा 90 नंबर घेणार आहे. हा नंबर कोणता आला? 90. तर 37 च्या टेबल मध्ये 90 पेक्षा स्मॉलर नंबर कोणता आहे? 37 वन जा 37, 37 टू जार 74, 37 3 जार 111. 111 is greater than 90. So here is 37 2s are 74. Here we have to write here 74 and here is 2. 90 minus 74, 0 minus 7 is not possible. Then we have to take 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. Then here is 8 minus 7, 1. Then we have to write this 0 below. Number becomes 160. You find the number in 37 table less than 160. In 37 table less than 160 is 148, means 37 fours are 148. So 37 fours are here 148. So 160 minus 148, 0 minus 8 is not possible. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 1 is transfer here. Here is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then 1 minus 1, 0. Then we have to take on the 0 below. The number becomes 120. So find the number less than smaller than 120 is a 111, means 111. So 37 threes are 111. So 37 threes are 111. We have to write here 3 and minus 111. So 120 minus 111. Here 0 minus 1 is not possible. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then this 0 comes here. It becomes 90. So find the number less than 90 is 74. 37 twos are 74. So 90 minus 74, it becomes 0 minus 7 is not possible. So 10 minus 4 is 6 and 8 minus 7 is 1. Then write here 0. Find the number less than 160. Here becomes 160. The number gets repeated here also 160. So 37 fours are 148. So smaller number than 160 is 148. So 160 minus 148. Here a 0 minus 8 is not possible. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. It becomes 12. Write here 0. Number is 122. This process again repeated. Number which is smaller than 120 is 111. So 37 threes are 111. We have to write here 111. 120 minus 111 is 10 minus 1 is 9. Here 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. We have to write here 0. So here number 243 is repeated. So the answer is 9 upon 37 is equal to 0.243 bar. 243 number is repeated. So the answer is 0.243 bar. Now the second example, 18 upon 42. If we reduce this number, 6 threes are 18, 6 sevens are 42. So the reduced form of 18 upon 42 is 3 upon 7. In 3 upon 7 we have to divide 3 by 7. So here we have to write number 7 and here number 3. We have to write this in non-terminating recurring form 3.00. So 3 is less than 7. Here is 0. We have to write 0 as it is. The number becomes 3030. So in 7's table, find the number less than 30 is 7 fours are 28. So 30 minus 28. Answer is 2. we have to write here 0. The number becomes 20. Find the number less than 20 in 7th table. So 7 twos are 14. 20 minus 14 is equal to 0 minus 6 is not possible. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then you have to write here 0. Then 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56 4. Write here 0. Find the number less than 40 is 7 5s are 35. Then 40 minus 35 here 10 minus 5 is 5 and 3 minus 3 is 0. We have to write here 0. Number is 50. Find the number less than 50 is 7 sevens are 49. So 50 minus 49 is 1. Then write 0. Number becomes 10. So 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Then write here 0. The number becomes 30. Here the division start from 30. So if we continue the process of division, the number repeated like this 4 2 8 5 7 1. So the answer is 3 upon 7 is equal to 0.428571 raised to bar 18 upon. These numbers are repeated, so here we have to write bar. Thank you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel.